but now is crossing again, and the 20 MA on the weekly chart frame, which is the blue line, is going below the 50 MA, which is the yellow line for Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, which is the bearish cross. And maybe we are going to see another bounce to about this area, and after that Bitcoin make a downside movement to about $20,000 or $26,000. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about Bitcoin. Today I'm going to discuss with you a few charts I have got in here, which is really important for me on the monthly, daily, weekly, and even 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. I'm going to start with Bitcoin on the daily time frame. According to this chart I have got in here, nobody actually can predict that one because of the situation in the world. We cannot be 100% sure if Bitcoin is going to the downside, or it's going to the upside. But there is two scenarios for us at the moment. According to these lines I have got in here, Bitcoin actually is playing between these two lines I have got in here, which is about the $45,000 to about the $36,000. Playing every time is going to the resistance, actually is going back to the downside, and every time is reaching to the downside. Support we have got in here is continue to the upside. But one thing is sure actually at the moment for Bitcoin, we have got the support line in here. If Bitcoin wants to stay on the bull run, actually we cannot lose this support line we have got in here on the daily time frame, which is really important for Bitcoin. And after that, this actually a white line I have got in here, which is the previous support, is really important for Bitcoin. At the moment, these two lines is going to be about $37,000 for Bitcoin, which if Bitcoin wants to stay on the bull run, cannot actually close any daily candle below this one, because it is a really important support area on crucial support for Bitcoin at the moment. But if Bitcoin actually can bounce to the upside and pass the $45,000, according to this triangle we have got in here, I'm expecting Bitcoin to reach to about this area, which is about $56,000 or $55,000. We have got the previous resistance as well. But if Bitcoin actually loses the support and wants to go to the downside more than that, actually the support we have got according to this triangle we have got in here, the support we have got in here, or the target we can say, we have got about $26,000 for Bitcoin. But if I go on the monthly time frame, another important thing I'm going to show you on the monthly time frame, we have got the support as well, which is the 20 MA on the monthly time frame for Bitcoin is going to be about $38,400. As you can see, on January, February, and now we are in March, actually the bears are trying to break the price of Bitcoin below the 20 MA on the monthly time frame, which is the blue line in here we have got. But at the moment Bitcoin is staying above the 20 MA. If Bitcoin actually break below this one, the next target we have got is going to be around the $20,000 for Bitcoin, which is the 50 MA on the monthly time frame. Another not a good news I have got in here for you, if I go on the weekly time frame, I can share that one to you. Even the 50 and 20 MA on the weekly time frame, they are crossing, which is the death cross or bearish cross for Bitcoin. As you can see, whenever we haven't seen that one actually happened after the July 2020, but now is crossing again, and the 20 MA on the weekly chart frame, which is the blue line, is going below the 50 MA, which is the yellow line for Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, which is the bearish cross. And maybe we are going to see another bounce to about this area, and after that Bitcoin make a downside movement to about $20,000 or $26,000. According to this weekly chart frame I have got in here, this line, which is really important, actually about the $30,000. It's a really important support for Bitcoin at the moment on the weekly time frame. If we go to the past, from the top we had in the 2017 top, which was about $20,000 for Bitcoin. This line actually is working really nice as a support for Bitcoin at the moment, but if Bitcoin break all the way below this one, it's going to be out at $26,000 or $20,000 for Bitcoin. According to the daily time frame, I just showed you what do we have in here on the daily time frame. The important support line is about $37,000, not even a daily candle close below that one, because it's going to be bearish for Bitcoin. On the weekly time frame, at the moment we have got $30,000, the next support for Bitcoin, or it's about $32,000, $33,000 for Bitcoin. According to this chart I have got in here on the daily time frame, it looks like we are playing inside this ascending triangle. As you know, ascending triangle most likely is break to the upside. The line I have got in here, the support line I have got in here, and the resistance line I have got in here, most likely it looks like a double bottom, and ascending triangle is breaking to the upside, and maybe we are going to see a rally from Bitcoin to about $55,000. But as I told you already, because of the situation in the world at the moment, maybe something happened and Bitcoin crashed to the downside, because all the commodities at the moment, gold is going up, silver is going up, copper is going up, actually oil is going up, they have a rally to the upside. And even wheat is going up crazy about in the past few days, about 40% to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 daily candle is about 53% to the upside. Corn is going up at the moment, is making a huge rally to the upside. At the moment, the stock market and cryptocurrencies, they are moving to the downside. But another thing we have got in here, the dollar index, just let me find my chart. The dollar index is this one. At the moment is reaching to the resistance area I have got in here. This yellow line I have got in here is working really nice as a resistance for dollar at the moment, as you can see. But if dollar actually passed this one to the upside, the next resistance line we have got in here, which is about 101. I'm expecting after maybe from here we are going to see a crash from dollar index, or maybe about this area, maybe dollar index can push the valuation of itself to the upside to about 101, and after that we are going to see another crash to the upside. But at the moment we are seeing a negative correlation between gold and commodities and the stock market and cryptocurrencies. As the gold is still rising to the upside, we cannot expect Bitcoin to go to the upside. We need to see like a sell-off or something like that on gold and the commodities, and after that we are expecting Bitcoin to make a rally to the upside as well. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next one.